Ko kadi ka jingdon kam ka bakong santam, ha kani ka perthai. La ka long, ha ka nu ka benta jong ka jingim. Wat la ka jilla Meghalaya, kadi ka weni ka jilla ka bayo yo slap ubajur. Henrei ka jingkerdu ka kenrei, namarba ambyang ka Rukom Pyllang ya ka slam. Ka weni ki institution ka ba prashang banwan, yekilat kilenti ban Pyllang ya ka slam. Kadi ka Bethany Society. Ka Bethany Society, ka balaseng na dus nam siya ja kanais pa prapwe. Dai sister Rosario Lopez. Kala ajing kershan bat jingarap ya shibun ngot kibrio ha kani jalla. Kam tam yikitu kibran jingduna ki department.
Hakani ka por nga syukwa banong ba like na kini ki education ki disability but ki ki jaj kam ka ka ba ngi treba kadai syapang kini ka bangi ongki livelihood ma ban ki khamtam ki briu shanong kendong la ne hasor ne bat ki kin kham yo long kin kham im kan tangi pej yagi technology ki ba pher
Lingba ka jinga trelang bat kiwe ki seng, ki NGOs, bat kumju ru bat ka sarkar. Ka Bethany Society kala la ru ban ai jing kershan amtang, yegi tu ki ban jingduna ki department. Henrei wat iki duk kisuk, ki ba im ki ba sa ki nong kendong, bat shikish nong red ba pher. Kawe na ki Rukom ba ka Bethany Society ka ai jingarap, kalong ban kentiu ya ki im lang salang, ha ka jing im jong ki badung. La kalong lingba ki jing shnai ki infrastructure ni ki Jingmyntoi, nadu ki solar installation, ki Rukom ram, ka jing shnai ki pung, bat kiwe.
Tangi pej yagi teknologi ki ba pher ngiwat igita ki teknologi ki bakham baki nongrep ro ken sautu banamar ki ban pendon kam ki dei kum ki nongrep bat ki briu ki bum dadon than kata ka jingnang jing start ro dei hangta ngiele ban lej saudong keleng syongno saudong keleng ka perthai ro ngile wat jingnang jing start ya ke ka bangiyo ngion practice hangni po hangni po stage jongi nang ni pat indai bakala long kabasaiso lane kabla bit la biang ba ngi sayele ban implement siapo nong kendong.
Hagani ke episode jong how do you do it. Ngin pen ya ka jing shna jong kapung da ka ba penan kam de ki skum lingba ka jing snok tilang jong ka Bethany Society ka Jalvardini Pratishthan bar ka IIT Bombay.
Ka wan ka way ka idea baha po Meghalaya uslab ubajur bah hendrei ka ka tuj bet no chong no ka tuj bet sapo Bangladesh bon kibru kim da Pyllang ya ka tangi pat ngele ban ngikwa ban Pyllang ka ka but ka way ka technology ka bakidon ki IIT Bombay ka dei ba kishna ya kata kapung ka ba pediang ya kata ka slam da ka baki ong da ka banana fiber dakani kalakaj ta habang iyo iya kata bat ngindo iya kapung ka baki ayu shati siya po Bombay bat skiwi ki jaka ngi ka bababa katapat ngi kwa banwan le lang hang ni hapo Meghalaya ken
Ningkong la pun khuchwa ya ka jaka bat lati ya ka thliu kat kum ka jingdon kam ya ka size to kapung Hadian kani latiat pen scam ya ka khendau baro saudong. Lada don kanu ka jaka baka khendau ka sup ban kho ki nongshna ki deven pen scam bha ya ka jaka. Hadian balada pen scam la sedang ban siang pat yo skum baro saudong bar hatra chung ki thlio. Kani ka Rukom siang ro skum ka wengno ya ka jing penon kam ya ki narot bat ki jarnar. Hadian kani la khle ya ka simen bal asen red ru ya ka hau newskum. Ka rukom khle ya ka simen kam dei ban long than ban duk ben ka simen hauskum. La sen red ya ka di ka simen hadu arsin arwan. Kenang madub rung pha ka dau bilat shapo skum. Hadian balada ban sen red ya ka simen latit pen scam ya ka ni ka chaka bro saudong. Kani ka yarap ban pengam ya ka simen shapo skum. Bat ban pen scam ya ka pung.
Kani nga perkhat ba kala ban yarap kum yakinong rep jong yikum no ban pelang ya ka slap ro. Dei hangta lada kum senong kendong ro ladang ila ban sena banamar ka jaka jong kalong lum kum nelong isna kum hang ni hapo lada ka slap ro kala ban tuj direct tu la neng ila ban pediang da ka slap ro ipun tuj ka tu da ka ba filter. Ya ka tu ka umpat kila ban pendon kam hakibri jong ki. Mo kata ka dei ka wei ka bangi kwa banya trelang batki ngatharai ladang ila ban le yakini bro khoj kan yarap si bon bahaya kinong rap bat kham tam yaki briu shanong kondong.
Good afternoon. My name is Balakrishna Kulkarni. I am from Jalavardhini Pratishthan. It is one of the NGOs who are working for water management, and we are having a speciality for construction of water storage tanks with the help of ferrocement technology.
Ka Jalvardhini Pratishthan kadika NGO kabapet benya ya ka water resource management bar ka yarab ru banshna yaki pung bapher shakal langi jalla ki bakurdu ha India ha kador kabatan.
This is an underground pond for usage of water for various purposes. We came across with IIT Bombay for new technology development. Accordingly, we had a lot of to and fro communication with IIT Bombay, and they had got cross communication with Bethany as NGO and asked us to carry out the pond work at Shillong at this institute. So immediately we asked them to carry out the excavation work.
Hadian balada ban penskam lapen kre saya ka plaster da ka bakle lang ya ka dau bilan par ka siam. Ka rukom kle ya ka ni ka plaster kalong kumju kumbaju kle ya ki plaster barabor. Ka Jalvardhini Pratishthan ka jupanan kam wat ikisla ambadiru banshna yikipung hakiwe gishnong ki bapahu ya uni islam. Hakapor banyak plaster lapenon kam da uksai banyo renti ya ka jengreban. Ka jing Pyllang yaki slam ban penon kam ya ka hadian habut la khot kum ka rainwater harvesting. Ya kini ka slam la la ban penon kam hakikam yeng ni hakikper. kat kum gajing tha jong kulkarni na jalwadini pratishthan laong ba hadin balar khyang ka plaster bat pladap ban pendap umya kani kapung hakasien ka baningkong e don kam man penthili biang shwa ya kani kapung hadin saw lani sansngi hadin ladap ban penthili don kam man ya rong ya kani kapung baro saudong daka white cement pin kani ka yarap bantap no ikinu ki jing orpat ki bamalu mala dai andala dem ya kani ka benta ban I white cement pin ba kapung kala long ban pendon kam ban sumar bat man penne ya kapung ukul karni lo batharu ikitrai pung man pen khuj ya kapung man la ka lai banai bat ban yat rong da ka white cement man la usnem
The purpose of our organization is to teach the farmers and the relevant people in that area and ask them to enter into this startup business, you can say, so that it will be advantageous to the farmers nearby. Now we are using, instead of coconut coir, we have gone for banana fiber. We had gone for ambadi fiber. Ambadi is one of the vegetables. There we are getting the ambadi fibers and we have used in 2-3 places. So that research is going on and our motto is to see that this will be utilized by major people so that the environment friendly material will get developed by us and it will be utilized at locations.
kani ka rukom Pyllang kanyarap ha ka bathung batem ban ai yikichur bat ngim da don kam banda thiet bat kani ka dei ka wei pat ka rukom ban kentiu ya ka yo ka kon jongki nong rap ru
So my name is Priyanka and I am a research scholar at IIT Bombay, but currently also working on a project staff as a project staff here as a project coordinator. We understand that there are technologies, but they are applicable on like really large scales. But an average farmer or a small household cannot either afford it or does not find a use to it. So the idea here is that we actually scale these technologies to actually adapt and to the needs of the local stakeholders. Some of these technologies include reducing post-harvest losses by small-scale cold storage structures, which can be used by a single farmer. Then we have dry sanitation toilets, wherein they can be used without the use of water and can be really helpful in areas where there is a lot of rainfall, but face drought-like conditions in summer or winter seasons, which we have plentiful in Meghalaya. So similarly, if there are any other needs that can be looked at, we'll be happy to hear from other stakeholders, farmers, or any other entrepreneurs.
ha ka jinga kranjongi bat ka Priyanka na IIT Bombay kalaong bangila ban penankam dikiskop kwairu ban snai kum kini ki chaipung namar ba ka jalla jongi ka pahu ha ka jing penmi yaki kwai ka IIT Bombay kranang yai wat ikilat kilenti ban penyo yaki mar ki ba khamtat bat ki ba khamne islam ha ka ba yadei ba ka jing shna yakum kini ki chaipung.
So we have worked with the organization called as Jalwardhini Pratishthan, who have almost more than 2 decades of experience in having water storage structures in various parts of the country. They're based out of Maharashtra and they have piloted various overground as well as underground water storage structures. When we dug the land, we saw that Shillong and most part of Meghalaya has this really hard rocky land which is very suitable for these kind of technologies. So though these were developed in other parts of the country, this particular technology is really suited for the topography of this land. So you see that how these technologies can then be judged or adapted to the local what do you call, USPs as we say it. Yes.
Jingmyntoi ki bangila ban yo ada shnaya kapung hakani ka Rukom kilong ka jing shnaya kapung ka kloy bandam bat kala ban pendep yakiwe bat kipung tang haki ar nilai sngi kat kum ka size jong kapung
nga supit kai tang por bangisna ya kani ka bangisna ni po Bethany society ro ka jingti long kiti tang kumba arngut langot ayay tang arsngi kila adap banti kumba live food ka jingjellew nang tapat kadon kumba khat riu food AA and then khandai food tang ba kalong slanting kumtu kan kala adon ka Rukom ti kata ngapeng tang padang arsngi la ban pendep kumya kita
kabaar ka jing no jing sam ka khamduna habayanu jor bat ka jing penon kam lekin naron lani ki jarnar kabalai ka jing or pat jong kapung kan khamduna lada shna ha gani ka Rukom kabasaw la ban penon kam de kinu ki jat skum ki basuk ban yo hapo shnong nadu kiskum snapcore kiskum bayo naki diengkan ki sensar bat kiwe ha ka bayade ba ka jing no jing sam la ong ru ba ka Rukom shna ya kapung ha kani ka Rukom ka khamduna lada ka jalla ka la ban penmi yo skum la jong
What we do to have economical solutions, we ask the relevant people in that area who are going to utilize the tank or pond to carry out the required plinth work or like this excavation work, that is khodai. So once they do that, they will own the tank. So thereby we are cutting the cost, for your information. Next thing, we are teaching them the basic technology. Here also we have given them the training, how to use the eco-friendly material. Overall, cost wise, if you go for metal, that is chicken mesh, weld mesh, the cost is around 6 to 8 rupees. But at the same time, they got the complete knowledge about the pond technology. They can repeat it and thereby they can save it on the further costs.
Kajing penjelor ya kamaryang bat kajing kieu chong kajing bun brieu kelanang penjenjar shu ha kabayade ba kajing penon kam Hendai ngi la dakum kinong shong shnong ngila an persang ban le da kini ki Rukom ban Pyllang ya ko slam kan yarap haki babun kiliang kham tam haki ayom baduna slam.
This is eco-friendly material. We are not using any metal. So this is like a circular economy. That means we are using the eco-friendly material and it is user friendly also. Anybody can use it. So this is how the basic technology that we have utilized, which is eco-friendly. And we have discussed with the participants in a very simple language so that they can replicate in other areas also. For your information, we are going to use this technology at various locations in Shillong, and we are going to try banana fiber in the next stage. That is our next project.
Ka jingmi chongkum kini ki chaipum ki bakoloi manshna bat ki baduna ka jingnut jingsam. Ka plilat plinti yikishnong ki thau ki bakurdu bat yikinong rap lengkha bat yikinong ri marat ro kumjo.